Over the past few months, owners of Cybertruck have flocked to forums, Facebook, Reddit, to vent about issues with their shiny new truck ultimately resulted in a tow truck to the service center. Problems include electrical harness problems, power conversion system failures, broken drive units, corroded grounds, steering and braking problems, and error codes thrown by other unspecified components. Owners are upset that their truck is estimated to spend more than a month in the shop while it waits on a part from Tesla's Austin Gigafactory. Tesla identified potential issues with the ancillary bay, electrical harness, causing a loss of mid-voltage power. There are over 20 examples of Cybertruck component failures that resulted in contact with Tesla's service center. There have also been a number of visual and assembly problems that have required service but haven't been impactful to the truck's operation.